welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another of my vlog series episodes. I am not sure whether I can call it a vlog or not, because this is going to be a review about my new experience, my new car, and here it is. The Land Rover Discovery Sport is compared with Audi Q5 and BMW X5. My car is the higher version, which is fully loaded and a 7-seater one. I have been driving this compact family car for the last 2 days, and here is my review for the car. My first impression of this car is really amazing. Its amazing exterior design gives it a look that makes it look more expensive than it is. The car's interior has leather seats, and there are 12 ways you can adjust these seats. Like you can move them up, down and sideways, and many more. It has heated front and back seats. Also comes with a leather steering wheel that takes out the fatigueness while driving the car for several hundred kilometers of non-stop drive. This car also comes with clear head display in the windscreen, but it is an extra feature which we haven't opted for. The dashboard is very nicely designed. All informations come handy without moving your head too much here and there. Rest of the interiors are fairly standard. However, the gear doesn't come with a stake. It's a circular gear managing the driving. This car is 4x4 auto. All you need to do is change the driving mode just by pressing a button. You can opt for hill, snow, off-road, muds, etc. to allow 4-wheel auto control your car. There are 2 cup holders in front with a hidden drawer underneath the cup holder. Every seat comes with their own USB charger. It has an amazing full panoramic roof which allow extra lights to come in. However, it is all time locked due to safety measures. This is also an extra feature which normally costs around $1,800. Front mirrors have blind spot and reverse traffic light detection. This is also another extra feature which normally costs around $1,100. Front parking sensors help you to park the car in safe distance. Again, another extra feature of $600. Our car being a 7-seater, the extra back seats are installed and hidden in the extra wheel space behind. Due to that, the extra wheel is installed underneath of the back boot, and this also accompanies with an extra cost of $1,900. The 2019 Discovery Sport comes with the xenon headlamp with LED signal, which gives the Land Rover an amazing finish from front. This is also an extra $1,600 cost. The Discovery comes with a dark night UV tinted glass which saves all passengers from scorching sun rays and skin cancer. Land Rover relies on its own multimedia touchscreen system. It does not have an Android Auto or Apple AirPlay, but it is compatible with any Bluetooth media. You can control your phone using the touchscreen. Its infotainment program, which is again an extra, is amazing. Meridian surround system with 16 speakers and subwoofers make your drive perfect and ultimate. It costs $3,500. Engine wise, I'm not an expert, but this is 132 bhp TD4 HSC 2.0 liters AWD automatic car. This is a diesel car with absolutely no sound inside or out, and the fuel consumption so far is amazing, just 8 liters per 100 km or 13 km per liter. Though it is very smooth and its shock absorption is brilliant, could not realize any small humps while driving from any position. But actually we need to be very careful with the speed. It takes your car 100 kilometers only in 6.5 seconds. Visibility is great from all the windows, and its front and back cameras help you to do parking anywhere and anytime. Its reverse parking camera always helps you to see what is behind while driving forward. There is great space in both front and back seat, making it a perfect car for long drives. All seats are equipped with air vents and temperature can be controlled from the dashboard for all locations. You can move the seats forward and back to give an extra leg space for the people sitting at the end. The boot space in this car is killing. It's approximately 1300 liters capacity. So overall, this is a pretty good family car, and if you are opting for all the extras, the price of the car creeps up to $100,000. We were surprised when we opened the boot, as Essendon Land Rover had filled the boot with lots of surprise goodies. A big thank you to them for all the efforts they put in. Their sales and customer service is amazing. So friends, I hope you liked my review on Discovery Sport, though from a very layman's point of view, but still I would like to say this car is worth every penny of it. If you are planning to buy a new car, do definitely give a thought, and if you are in Melbourne, do visit Essendon Land Rover for best deals. And with this, I would like to finish off my video for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.